Ever feel like your team talks, but nobody really listens? Words fly, but trust is missing. Conversations happen, but misunderstandings grow. That's communication breakdown. It creates thoughts, blocks ideas, and makes collaboration feel like walking on eggshells. Today, we are diving into a closely hidden problem: communication distrust. When trust fades, messages get twisted, and hymns stop sharing openly. I have a single three-step framework to rebuild trust and bring honest, open communication back. Here's the hard truth. People hold back when they don't trust each other. They avoid tough communications, second-guess messages, and misunderstand intentions. Information gets lost or distorted, and collaboration stalls. Sounds familiar? Let's fix that. Here are 3 practical steps to restore trust and create communication that connects. Trust starts with safety. Create an environment where people feel safe to speak up, without fear of judgment or backlash. Encourage openness, curiosity, and respect. When people know they won't be punished for honesty, true dialogue begins. Communication is two-way. Train your team to listen actively. Focus fully, ask clarifying questions, and reflect what they hear. This shows respect, reduces misunderstandings, and builds empathy. Trust grows with openness. Share information regularly and honestly, even when the news isn't perfect. Use clear channels and timely updates. Transparency breaks down suspicion and helps everyone stay aligned. Quick tips. Encourage open questions in meetings. Train teams on active listening skills. Share updates frequently and honestly. Recognize and appreciate honesty. Address conflicts early and constructively. Let's recap. To rebuild the trust and communication: 1. Foster psychological safety. 2. Practice active listening. 3. Build consistent transparency. Small, steady actions restore connection and teamwork. Try this in your next team meeting. Ask, what's one thing we are not talking about openly yet? Create space for honest sharing and listen deeply.